Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage your email with Outlook step by step clearly. Open Outlook on your computer. Enter your email address and password if prompted. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the layout. Locate the navigation pane on the left side. Click on the inbox to view your incoming emails. To create a new email, click on the New Email button in the top left corner. In the new email window, enter the recipient's email address in the To field. Add a subject line to describe the email's content. Type your message in the body area. To attach a file, click on the Attach Files option. Select the file you wish to attach and click Insert. Once your email is ready, click Send to deliver it. To organize your inbox, create folders by right-clicking on your email account. Choose New Folder and name your folder appropriately. Drag and drop emails into the new folder for easy access. To search for a specific email, use the search bar at the top. Type relevant keywords to find the email quickly. To mark an email as read or unread, right-click on the email. Select Mark as Read or Mark as Unread from the drop-down menu. If you want to flag an email for follow-up, click on the flag icon next to the subject line. To delete unwanted emails, select the email and press the Delete key. You can find deleted emails in the Deleted Items folder. To check your calendar, click on the calendar icon in the navigation pane. Create a new event by clicking New Appointment. Fill in the details such as title, date, and time. Click Save and Close to add the event to your calendar. Explore the Tasks feature for to-do lists by clicking on the Tasks icon. Click on New Task to create a new task. Fill in the task details and click Save and Close. Regularly check your junk email folder for any misclassified emails. Adjust your email settings by clicking File and then Options. Customize your preferences for handling emails according to your needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.